got off the phone with you and he was like, this is the one. You wouldn't believe it because we were at my parents' house and he's like, it's 905 Reno. It's like, this is the one. This is going to work.
I want to also kind of talk about just like, you know, the whole process. Like, what was that like for you guys? Like, any feedback on that?
You know, there's going to be hitches in the journey.
Yep.
But it can't not happen, but it's really the way the team responds. And we came up against hitches, but I feel like you guys always work through them.
Kind of diving a bit deeper into the projects, you know, as far as staying on budget, how was that for you guys with us?
It was really within budget. There was no huge surprises.
No hiding costs.
Yeah. There was no hidden costs. There were some things that came up, but I think it's the function of a project that there's going to be some things, but I feel very reasonable, very within our budget.
So when it comes to these kind of projects, you know, it's a lot more than what you see. You know, we're taken to what could happen next year. How will this product look 10 years from now? So, you know, it's very important to work with a company that resembles our portfolio. So hire us.